The question that's been making every engineer twitchy since GPT 3.5 dropped. Today, we cut through the panic and the hype and look at what the data actually says about what AI will and won't take. Software is eating the world, but AI is eating software. 3 numbers worth knowing. The first 2 get all the airtime. The third one almost never does. Together, they tell a more honest story than either side of this debate usually offers. The boring half of your job, the part you'd happily delegate. Look at this. 5 seconds in cursor. The AI sees a stringly typed status field, suggests a typed enum, and rewrites the call sites. Mechanical work, and the AI is better at it than most juniors. Pretending otherwise is denial. 4 categories where the productivity gain is real, not theoretical. If your day is mostly these, the writing is on the wall. Not for you, but for how you should be spending your time. The half AI consistently fumbles. This is where careers are made. 4 hard things. Notice they're all about taste, judgment, and being trusted to make a call. None of these get easier just because the model gets bigger. 4 bets that compound. Each one moves you up the value chain, away from the work AI does well toward the work it doesn't. Pick at least 2. The future of engineering belongs to people who know what to build, why, and for whom, not just how.